students, today we are going to perform the power electronics practical experiment number 5, that is DC chopper using MOSFET. DC chopper using MOSFET. So this practical is known as step down chopper. So here we have the kit for performing the practical. This is a stable multi-operator by using IC555. This is a totem pole or a buffer circuit of two transistors, NPN transistor and PNP transistor, the output of which is given to the MOSFET. And this is a step down chopper circuit. Load is connected here and supply voltage is given from this point 15 to 24 volt that you can apply. So what we will do, we will apply 20 voltage to the circuit, right? So this is a single power supply which can provide you up to 30 volt. Then this is a CRO on which we are going to observe the waveforms, and simultaneously on the multimeter we will observe the output voltage. So all these readings from CRO and multimeter you have to record in the observation table, right? So now I will make the connections. So I am connecting output of this stable multi-operator to the totem pole circuit, and output of this Q1 and Q2 I will connect to the output of this buffer, right? So during positive up cycle, which is coming from this IC555, that will be applied to Q1 and Q2. So for T on period, Q1 will turn on, so base drive will be applied to the MOSFET and MOSFET will turn on and voltage will be available across this load. So I am making the connections for voltage measurement across the load, right? And when during T off, your Q1 will be off, so MOSFET will also be off, so you will not get any output, right? So we are able to vary the chopping frequency, which can also be called as on time, with the help of this potentiometer, right? So now zero voltage I can see and there is no waveform on the CRO, right? Now what I will do, I will vary the potentiometer and I am making the connection for CRO. I am connecting the CRO to measure the turn on time and turn off time with reference to ground, right? And supply 20 volt that I am applying to this step down chopper. What is the function of step down chopper? It will give you output voltage less than the input voltage, and that can be varied with the help of duty cycle, right? So as you can see here, the value of potentiometer is maximum initially. That means the on time, turn on time of the waveform is minimum. So my output voltage is minimum. As you can see on the multimeter, output voltage is 9.3 to 9.8 volt, and I have not rotated the potentiometer or stable multi-operator square wave, right? And you can see here the square waves. These square waves, as you can see, is having 50% on time and 50% off time. So now when I will increase my on time, you will see that your output voltage is also increasing, right? So now I will rotate the pot. I am rotating the pot and simultaneously see towards the DMM. I am increasing the on time and my output voltage is also increasing in the waveform. On the CRO, you will be able to see the variation in the duty cycle. I hope you are able to see this on time variation with the help of this output of a stable multi-operator. So this on time, as you can see, is minimum, and now I am increasing the on time slowly. Right? So you have with the help of the CRO, you have to measure the on time and off time and record all these readings in the given observation table. Let us see the observation table. In the observation table, we have serial number, T on, T off, total time, duty cycle, then output voltage practically measured on DMM, then output voltage theoretically calculated, right? So for theoretical calculation you have to use the equation, that is VO is equal to T on by T into supply voltage Vs, right? And T on, only T on and T off you have to measure on CRO, add them together you will get time for measuring the duty cycle T on by T, that will give you a duty cycle, and thus you will be able to calculate the practical output voltage from reading from T on, and the total time you will get the duty cycle. So duty cycle into supply voltage, how much is the supply voltage? VO is equal to, we are going to apply here 20 volt. This is the supply voltage that we have considered and we have practically applied. So this is the arrangement for the practical of experiment number 5 from power electronics, that is DC chopper using MOSFET. Thank you.